Glamlookbykem. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Glam family. We do tutorials, reviews, everything glam and beauty, lifestyle as well. If you're a returning subscriber, you're a darling. You're the reason I'm here. You're the reason I'm still here. Yes. Thank you for being here. Alright, so today I'll be taking you guys through my tutorial. I think this is just going to be a pepper smoky, something soft. Today's my birthday shoot, so yes, we are going all out, but nothing too loud. I don't know, but yes, let's just get into the so. But I just know I'm going to be all glammed up, guys. Let's head into the tutorial. So I'm just using this sponge for the first time. I got it from Glam. Yes, I have not used the product before. I usually use Nuban Beauty, but my vendor said she didn't have Nuban Beauty, so I said to go for this. And we'll use it here and see what it looks like, or if it blends properly. So I'm just going to make it damp for a second, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I'm just going to go in with my foundation. So just apply on my brows. I finally chose my brows first, so this is how I do my brows if I'm not doing skin first. And I'm just going to use this Beauty by AD compact powder in bad 02 to set. And I'll be using this hair wax. I complained the other day that it was too oily, but I don't have a choice but to use it. And I just set it when I'm done with my setting powder. So I'm going to be using this Hair Guy and Esther brow definer today. I usually use my pencil to outline, but today we're going to be using this in Toffee to outline. I just got it also from Wholesale Beauty. That's my plug. You can check her out on Instagram if you want to buy authentic makeup products. I'm having a hard time opening this because of my nails. Yes guys, I fixed my nails. It's been a while, right? Yes, it's my birthday shoot, so what do you expect? So I'm just going to dip this. This brush is from Younger Beauty. I got it from Wholesale Beauty as well. My brows, I like it bushy, but at the same time I don't want it to be that big. Fat brows don't fit me, so I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to spray my face before I apply my foundation. Yes, I live for certain sprays. I don't know what I would have done without them. So I'm just going to use Huda Beauty and my Zaron foundation. I'll mix both of them together and get it on my face.
got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body back.